Hi, welcome to Coding Leader. In this video, we are going to learn about how to install Git on Windows 10. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit that like button. So let's get started. Just open Google and search for Git SCM download. We are going to click on first link. Okay, so this is the version which we are going to download. Just click on download. I'm going to store it in my desktop. Just wait for it to download. We also have some GUI clients for Git. There are various GUI clients, but we are not going to look into those in this video. Just mention in comment if you want me to cover on this GUI clients as well. But in this video, we are just going to continue with Git Bash. It is still downloading, so we'll just wait for it. Once downloaded, double click on the setup file to launch the installation wizard. So just click on next. It's asking for the drive where it is going to install. I'll keep it as it is. Click on next. Now these are various options that you should consider. This is one of the important options, Windows Explorer integration. Git Bash here and Git GUI here. Just click on this. We'll see how it is going to show in Windows Explorer. But make sure you click on these two options. Click on next. This is very important option. First is use Git from Git Bash only. This will have some limitations when we are going to use Git. Second option is Git from the command line and also from third-party software. This is the one we are going to select it, and that is also a recommended version. Click on next. We'll use the OpenSSL library. Click on next. Now this is how your file line endings are going to be. If you prefer Windows style, then select the first option. If you prefer Linux style, then select the second option. I'm going to select the first option. Click on next. From these two options, we can select use min_tty, that is the default terminal for Git Bash, and second option is use Windows default console. We are going to select we use Windows default console window. Click on next. We'll keep it as it is, default. Click on next. Whatever is selected, we are going to keep it as it is. Just click on next. Click on install. It will take some time for installation, so we'll pause the video now. Our installation is successful. I'll deselect this. Click on launch Git Bash. Next. So it has opened our Git Bash window. Let's see if the installation is successful. We'll type in Git version. Yes. So the Git version is 2.27.0. We have successfully installed the Git version. Now let's see what are the commands that we can execute after installation is successful. So this is 1.6 of getting started guide for Git. This is the first time Git setup. So let's find out some commands that we are going to need. We'll scroll down to your identity. These are few commands that we need to set up initially. So let's copy it one by one. I will copy git config global. Paste it here. Now change the name to your name. I'll change it to Saga. Hit enter. It is executed. Our next command should be git config setting the user email. I'll copy it. Let's change the email. Both the commands are successful. That means our identity is set. These are some extra commands that you can look into if you want to change some configuration of Git afterwards your installation. So git config it will show. If you want to set it to Emacs, you can set it. If you want to check your configuration setting, then this is the command we should use: git config dash list. Okay, so these two configurations are very important. Make sure you have set it and verified. These are the two commands that we executed previously, and we can see it is getting reflected when we list down our configurations. This is one of the commands that we can use to display the username. Yes, it is showing a correct username. In next video, we are going to see what is Git and Git Bash. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching.